Yet. Yet.
Up until now.
I haven't spoken to her yet. He hasn't finished yet. Are you ready? Not yet. Wait a moment.
Now or as early as this time.
I don't want to go home yet. Possibly. Possibly. Possibility, impossibility, impossible, possible, possibly.
Used when something is not certain.
Someone, possibly Tom, had left the window open. He may possibly decide not to come, in which case there's no problem.
Beginning. Beginning.
Beginner, beginning, begin.
The first part of something or the start of something.
We met at the beginning of 1998. She sat down and read the book straight through from beginning to end. I enjoyed my job at her in the beginning, but I'm bored with it now.
Golf. Golf.
A game on grass where players try to hit a small ball into a series of holes, using a long, thin stick.
Do you play golf? We often have a round of golf at the weekend. A golf course.
Side. Side.
Side. Side.
One of the two parts that something would divide into if you drew a line down the middle.
He likes to sleep on the right side of the bed. In Britain, cars drive on the left side of the road. There is no money on my mother's side of the family.
A flat outer surface of an object, especially one that is not the top or the bottom.
The names of ships are usually painted on their sides. My room is at the side of the house. Please write on one side of the paper only.
An edge or border of something.
A square has 4 sides. There are trees on both sides of the road. They were surrounded on every side by curious children. Would. Would.
Used to say that you would very much like something.
I'd love some chocolate right now. I'd love to be an actor.
Used to say that you would very much like to do something that someone has suggested.
Would you like to come to the concert with us? I'd love to. We'd love to go to the beach, thanks for inviting us. You. You.
People in general.
You learn to accept these things as you get older. You can't get a driving license till you're 17 in this country. Too much alcohol is bad for you.
Said as a polite answer when someone thanks you for doing something.
It was very kind of you to help. You're welcome. News. 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 New. Newly.
New information.
I've got some good or bad news for you. That's the best piece of news I've heard for a long time. We've had no news of them since they left for Australia.
Theirs. Theirs.
The things that belong or relate to a group of people, animals, or things that have already been talked about.
I think she's a relation of theirs. Next. Next.
The next time, event, person, or thing is the one nearest to now or the one that follows the present one.
What time's the next train to London? We're going to be very busy for the next few months.
The next place is the one nearest to the present one.
She only lives in the next village. Turn left at the next roundabout.
Immediately after.
You'll never guess what happened next. Where shall we go next? First, fry the garlic. Next, add the ginger.
Purple. Purple.
Of a dark reddish blue color.
Purple plums. A dark purple bruise.
A dark reddish blue color.
Purple is my favorite color. The evening sky was full of purples and reds. It.
Information technology, the use of computers and other electronic equipment to store and send information.
He's a project manager for a large IT company. Happen. Happen.
If an event or situation happens, it exists, or starts to be done, usually by chance.
Were you there when the accident happened? We can't let a mistake like this happen again.
To be the result of an action, situation, or event that someone or something experiences.
Did you hear what happened to us last night? What happens if we can't get enough tickets?
A motorbike. A motorbike.
Motorbike. Motorbike.
A vehicle with two wheels and an engine.
She jumped on her motorbike and raced off down the road. MP3 player. MP3 player.
A piece of electronic equipment for playing music that has been stored as MP3 files.
He gave me an MP3 player.